Ways to hide cash that no thief will find. These are places where thieves never look. Your money will be safe and waiting for you when you're away. Put money in the washing machine and a thief will never find it there. If you remove the detergent drawer, you'll find a hidden space behind it. Place your cash in a Ziploc bag and tuck it into that space. Put the drawer back, and no one will suspect that the washing machine is holding your money. The Nutella jar lid has a hidden feature. You can remove the paper liner from the lid to reveal an empty space inside. It's a perfect spot to store cash. Once you've hidden your money there, just put the liner back in place, screw the lid on, and put the jar back where it belongs. No one would think to look for money there. If you have a hole puncher, a thief will never find your savings. Every hole puncher has a compartment for the punched-out paper bits, which is actually an empty space. Simply roll up some bills and stash them there. It won't hold all your savings, but it's a safe spot for some of them. No one would ever think to check there. Hide some cash in a rice container. In a cabinet full of food items, cash is hard to find. Just empty out some of the rice, put your cash in a Ziploc bag, and bury it in the container. Cover it with rice and put the container back on the shelf. If you have potted plants in your living room, you can hide cash in them. If your plant is in a plastic pot, place that inside a ceramic one. Put your cash in a sealed bag and place it at the bottom of the ceramic pot, then cover it with stones. Place the plant back in the pot. A thief will never think to check your plants. The bathroom offers some clever ways to hide valuables. Take one of your sanitary pads and carefully open it along one side to create a pocket for cash. Place the money inside and then reseal the pad. Put it back in its packaging, and no one will suspect that one of the pads contains cash. Roll up some money in a toilet paper roll, and a thief will never find it. Unroll the toilet paper and place bills on it, one after another. Roll it back up and put it back in a drawer or on a shelf. The money will stay safe, unless it happens to be the last roll. There's a simple way to hide cash in the living room. All you need is a magnet and a radiator. Attach a bundle of bills to an inconspicuous spot on the radiator, on the side, the back, or underneath. The money will be secure and out of sight, giving you peace of mind.